In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage the properties in your real estate website. And to do so, the first thing you want to do is to log in into your control panel. So to do that, please refer to the previous tutorial you should have, as well as your username and password. Let's create a new listing. So I'm going to open the control panel, and under listings, I'm going to click on create new listing. There I have a form that I can fill with all the information about my new listing. So I'm going to enter some dummy information here just for the purpose of the example. So the title can be here. Please note that it is limited to 60 characters. I'm going to make it for sale. It's going to be a condo. And of course, depending on what option you're choosing, the form might change slightly. For example, if I choose Coppercoy, I have all the different areas from Coppercoy appearing here. I don't have the same if I click on Terbasse, but let's try Coppercoy. I'm just going to click on that and make it a blue mall. Then I can enter all the features. Please note that the features should be entered as it is mentioned here below each field. For example, we need to enter a number like this here, no text, just the number. And same thing here for the inside surface of the terrace surface, just a number, no unit behind the number. The unit will be added automatically. So here we have a square foot, acres, and here it's only the amount of bedroom or bathroom. All the fields are not required except the one with this orange star. So additional features, there you can enter whatever you want. Each line is limited to 60 characters. This is the big description, and here you can copy and paste some text from a Word document. If you do so, click on paste as plain text. It is very important. Okay, so now it's on and I just can paste my text. For more information about the text editor, please have a look at our tutorial called Using the Text Editor. Now comes the pricing. So same thing here, only enter a number here. Do not enter a comma, no dollar sign. The website will format the price for you. Note that if you enter a price here, and if you are actually doing a rental for rent listing, this is going to be the monthly price, and if not, this is going to be the property price. If you want to make sure your customer realizes that the price has changed recently, you can always enter an old price. The images, same thing here. Please check our tutorial concerning resize your pictures and get them ready for the web before you upload them. Normally the size of the image should not really matter. The only restriction we really have is 4 megabytes per image, so the image should not be too big to upload, and the extension should be one of those, and the image must be larger than 300 by 300 pixels, otherwise it's too small to be properly displayed in the website. So simply choose a file from your images and just click on upload, and this should attach the images to your listing. So I strongly recommend to enter some alternate text for search engine. It is very useful. I'm not going to do that right now, but just to let you know. Then you can choose an agent. Just pick Dell, and the position of your listing. If you click on featured, the listing will show on the home page. But I don't recommend to have too many featured properties. Your homepage could take longer to load, and also if you have too many featured properties, then the featured properties are not so much featured anymore since they are part of a bigger group. archived if you want to keep this listing in your database, but don't necessarily want to show it on the website. So archived basically hides the listing entirely from your website, but stays in your database. And you can click on Save. So now I have my listing ready, and I can see that all the information I entered in the form can be found here on the listing page. And I have my two first pictures and my text here on the side. So there are two ways to update an existing property. You can either browse your website, and whenever you find a property you want to change, you can click on the green edit button, or you can click here on the control panel, and under listings you can have the list of all the listings for sale or all the listings for rent. Let's click on the listings for sale, and from here you can sort all the listings by name, but also by type, area, agent, display, creation date, last update. And once you have chosen the property you want to edit, you can just click on the corresponding edit button. So by clicking on edit, you will get the same form used to create, and from there you can easily change all the information and the features of the property. Note that you can also delete the property. If you do so, the property will disappear from the website and the database, or you can also archive the property. I'm just going to leave it on default for now. If you archive the property, it won't show on the website, but it will be available on your database. And to access all the archived property, you just need to click under Listing on Archived Listings. Another note on the side here, if you're editing on a small screen, you might not have enough space to see, to feel comfortable with this form. You can always close the control panel and reopen it whenever you need it, like this. So it creates more space here. And once you have finished editing your property, you can click on Save.